guys, it's Noelle from the Tipsy Blonde Bartender, and I just first of all want to apologize so much. I promised you guys a video a day for this entire quarantine, and like I went MIA yesterday. I'm gonna leave it up to your imagination as to where I was. I may have been hungover. I may have been really depressed because of this whole situation that's going on. Maybe I was doing some artwork with Grayson and was just too busy. I have no idea. Well, I have an idea, but I'm gonna leave it up to you to figure out where I was. But I'm gonna make it up to you. I'm gonna give you guys something great tonight. Tonight we're doing a drink called the Hawaiian screwdriver. It's gonna take you to another place. It's gonna take you to island vibes and just sitting on the beach, and that's where everybody wants to be right now. It's gonna be relaxing. I wish I had a little umbrella to stick in the drink. That would just make it perfect. But all right, let's get started. What do we always do? I'm gonna fill it up to the top with ice. Let's see how our ice maker is doing tonight. Is it gonna perform? Let's see. It's gonna be a good night. Oh yeah. Plenty of ice, plenty of ice. Okay. We're in quarantine. I do not have a shaker. I haven't shown this before, but what I'm using to measure, because my baby never took one, he never took a bottle, couldn't care less about the bottle. Dr. Brown's bottle, because it has, up to 5 ounces written right on there. So I can do my measurements. Okay, we're making do with what we have, right? Because we're in quarantine. This recipe is going to be super easy because it's 2, 2, and 2. So we're going to do 2 ounces. Tito's is my absolute fave. I've tried them all. I mean, like Grey Goose is good, but like, I know Tito's is better. It's a better deal. 2 ounces of Tito. You know, a normal screwdriver would be orange juice and vodka, maybe a little club soda or something. But what makes this Hawaiian is we're gonna add pineapple juice. So let's get orange juice and pineapple juice. Go, there's orange juice. Got the pineapple juice. Thank God for Sprouts delivery. Saving us in this time. I appreciate everything that we've done. Couldn't be more amazing to have groceries just show up at your door, save you a trip, keep everybody safe. That's what I tell you. So, shake it up. 2 ounces of orange juice. I just realized that this is gonna be like the longest video yet because it's like a little bit more complicated drink. More complicated than a wine spritzer, but 2 ounces, whatever kind of orange juice you have. We are not going to be particular with brands right now. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Look at that. Perfect. Oh my God. Perfect to the top. I'm going to give it a little stir. With my candy in there. And now, what I like to do, I'm big on garnishes. They're pointless, but they look pretty. I like to put them on. So, usually I do a lime because I'm drinking a margarita or something like that. Spritzer. But tonight, we're gonna do an orange for our Hawaiian screwdriver. And this is my trick. You can zoom in here. Very complicated. Cut. Instead of just trying to take this orange and just smash it on there like it's gonna fit perfectly. It's not gonna fall in your drink. That's crazy. That's crazy, people. Take the orange, cut it right down the middle, and you're gonna split it like that. Boom. That's it. That's perfect. Get a little stir for good luck. Let's try it. Oh my God, guys. Seriously, it's so freaking good. I feel like I'm at a beach. I can feel it. You're gonna feel it too. I don't care where you are, if you're in the cold, in the warm weather. This is gonna take you to Hawaii, I promise. Okay, try it. Try it, guys. You'll love it.